This cold tofu salad recipe is simple to prepare, low in cost, healthy, and guilt-free to eat. First step, prepare the ingredients. Next, invert the tofu onto a plate. To reduce the beanie flavor, pour hot water over it, wait for 1 minute, then scoop it out and drain thoroughly. This will make the texture even tenderer. Second step, prepare the essential sauce. In a small bowl, combine the minced garlic, chopped green onions, and chili rings. Add 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce and 1 spoonful of vinegar. Then drizzle with 1 spoonful of sesame oil. Stir evenly to complete the sauce. Third step, mix and serve. Pour the prepared sauce evenly over the tofu. Use a spoon to gently break up the tofu so each piece is coated with the sauce. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes to absorb the flavors, then serve directly. This dish requires no advanced skills. The key is to balance the sauce properly. Add more vinegar if you prefer its tangier, and adjust to your own taste for best results.